In this video, we're going to show you how to install the driver's side mirror on your Ford 500 located on the exterior side of your door. The process for the driver's side is very similar to the passenger side. To access the 3 nuts securing the mirror to the door shell, we want to go ahead and remove this panel here. We're going to use our trim tool, get right behind, and gently want to pry outward. You're going to release this panel clip from the inside of the door shell. Pull it out a little bit further and then up. On the back side, we have 3 11mm nuts securing this. We want to go ahead and disconnect the mirror harness right here first. You're going to reach up, there's a little tab right on the very bottom of it. You're going to press in on that tab, grab that connector, and just pull that out. So now that you have this disconnected, we're going to use an 11mm socket to loosen and remove the 3 nuts securing the mirror to the door shell. You want to be careful when removing these here. Do not drop the nut down inside behind the door panel, otherwise you'll have to remove the entire door panel to relocate those or locate those. Now, when removing the last nut here, you want to hold that mirror. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off. Now, right behind here is a clip or a retainer. I'm going to use my trim tool. Just gently go in here. I'll go ahead and pry that out. And there's that little metal clip here that pops into the door shell. Take your mirror, going to line up the studs, work those through to the inside of the door shell. Now I want to go ahead and make sure we apply a proper amount of pressure here to pop this clip into place while we're doing this. Snap that in, push that mirror in, let's go ahead and install the 3 nuts on the inside. Now I'm going to install the top nut first, thread that on as far as I can by hand. That'll allow me to go ahead and release my grasp on the mirror. Do the same for the 2 lower. Then we use our ratchet and snug those down. Now once that nut bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. Bottomed out. Do the same for this one. All right, it's bottomed out. A little more. Don't forget to install your connector for the mirror. Line that up, push it in. You'll feel in here the lock activate there. I want to go ahead and install our bottom 2 clips down below, as well as a 3rd one up top that'll pop into place here. So we're going to line up our bottom ones first, push this down and in. Once those are in, push in the top, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.